Hello, my name is Gracia. Today I'm going to teach you how to prep your nails with an e-file and with cuticle nippers. If you're afraid of nippers and cutting yourself, I'll show you how with the e-file and my favorite bit. Both are easy and it helps your nails not lift, helps them last longer. Cuticles are tricky, so you can use cuticle remover. This Sally Hansen one is fine. Hey, sorry, am I interrupting? I'll make this quick. So I just really quickly wanted to come on here and say thank you for helping me reach 1K. It's took me a minute to get here. I've been doing this for a really long time. Simply because I enjoy it, so I hope that those of you who are here with me right now will be able to watch me grow and then be like, hey, I was there from the beginning. So yeah, didn't want you guys to think it went unnoticed. I totally noticed and I was like, hold up, what? But I'm so grateful for the little 20 views, the 50K, like I'm just thankful for all of it. I hope you like my energy and I appreciate y'all. Thank you. So yeah, thank you. Okay, go ahead. The first thing I'm gonna do is cut my nails down because I'm gonna be rocking a clear set glass nails, and I think it looks best with your nails cut back as far as you can without hurting yourself. So I'm gonna push my cuticles back, pretty much just scraping the nail plate a little bit. So the white stuff that comes up is what you're gonna wanna nip. Again, not pushing back the living skin, just scraping the nail plate. And I don't have a lot, so I couldn't get like a clean nip except for on the pinky.
I'll try again.
So here's that satisfying line I was talking about. So this is going to be more appealing to those of you who are scared of the nippers. It literally feels like a tickle on the cuticle. It does not hurt at all. I use it on 4,000 RPMs and I go all along the cuticle line, just like I nipped all around. That's where I file. You can see it looks really clean once I get all the dust off. This is a little bit more time consuming than the nippers. I'm really quick at those, but again, if you're afraid to use those, this is a really great bit to invest in. Here I'm lightly dusting the top of my nail bed to remove the shine with a fine sanding band. Make sure to season it so you don't cut yourself. And I make sure to dust off and apply some nail dehydrator before I glue the tips on, and to make sure that they don't pop off. And before applying acrylic, make sure you blend them and cut them, of course, file them down. I made one hand blue, I don't know why. I just wanted to see, you know, a different color in the glass. It's just by far one of my favorite sets, so be sure to check out, you know, the video of me doing it. I'll make sure to link it as soon as it's posted. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one, and hopefully you enjoyed this. Please subscribe, like, comment down below. That's it. Okay, bye.